Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add discount cards on Omio. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Omio account, which of course I have done right here. Now, how can you create an account on Omio? Pretty simple. Launch in a browser of your choice. I'm currently using Chrome, and look for the search bar. In the search bar, type omio.com, and that's going to take you to the official website for Omio. Once you get into the website, follow through the on-screen prompt to create your account, and after creating your account successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Omio. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to add discount cards on Omio. So from this home screen, I'd like you to head over to, there are two different ways to do that. I'm going to show you the first way, and I'm going to show you the second way. So the first way is to add your location. After adding your location, add your destination in here, and then the dates for the journey, and if you want to return, add the return date, and then this is the next step. So click on this, and of course if you want to add additional passengers, feel free. But over here you have add discount card. So you have a toggle here, so toggle this on. And once you toggle that on, then you will be able to add your discount card. So toggle that on, and that's already enabled for you. But then it's saying here that there is no discount card, but you've already toggled that on and you have added your discount card. So the next step is to click here and click on passenger details. So over here in passenger details, scroll the way down and you see discount card. So click on this add option. So add a travel company for your discount card. So you have all of these options. So once you've added the travel company, add your discount card type. No discount selected, or you have that, let's say SBB, and this is the discount card type, and go ahead and click on confirm. So once you click on confirm, that's it. You've been able to add your discount card. So I can go all the way back to my home page. And now I can proceed to get this done. So I can just click on search. After clicking on search, I'm going to select the flight, and after selecting the flight that I want, I will now be able to make payments using my discount. But this is pretty much how you can add your discount card. So in the payment window, that's in the checkout window, you have the option for you to pay using your discount card. Go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.